Hello, welcome to my latest video. So today we are in sunny Lagos in Portugal. We've been here for about 5-6 days, and today we are off down to the beach to go on a 3-hour kayak tour. So the kayak tour takes us around the Lagos coastline. It's absolutely stunning, so I thought what better thing to make a video out of. So come along with us for the ride. So this is our trip around the Lagos coastline. Just amazing, beautiful coastline. What a perfect day trip. I recommend these guys. I'll give you a link at the bottom of the description. So after about 2 hours worth of kayaking, we've stopped off at this remote beach where you can only reach it by the kayaks, and I have to say it's stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to stay here for like half an hour and have a bit of a chill out and a bit of a relax, and then back to the port where we started from. But have a look around, it's absolutely beautiful.